Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Daniel Villamayor and I'm a physical therapist here at Moti Physiotherapy located in Los Angeles, California. Today I'm going to take you through my physical therapy program to help improve your posture, your mobility, and prevent future aches and pains, especially since we've been living sedentary lifestyles and have been working from home. We're going to move down to our lower body and stretch out our hamstrings and our glutes and our hip flexors. These muscles tend to get really tight, especially if we're in a prolonged position from sitting and looking at a computer all day. So the first stretch is our hamstring. What we're going to do is whatever leg you want to stretch out, that leg will be straight. Make sure your toe is pointed up and that your back is straight. What you're going to do is you're just going to bend from your hips and reach forward like so. Common mistakes that I've seen is people tend to round their back as they do this exercise or this stretch. That is incorrect, so make sure you keep your back straight and lean forward like so. And you should feel a stretch right here in your hamstring. So what we're going to do in this same position is you're just going to put your ankle top of your knee like so. And next we're going to stretch out the piriformis, a muscle here in your glute. So we're going to use the same concepts. We're going to keep our back straight, and you're just going to bend at the hips. So leaning forward. And you can repeat this about 10 times, going back and forth. And you should feel a stretch right here in the glute. All right, for this next stretch, we're going to be working our hip flexors. Again, these muscles tend to get really tight if we're in prolonged positioning such as sitting. So what we're going to do is we're going to be in a kneeling position. Before we start, what I like to tell patients is to tuck their pelvis in. So what I mean by that is make sure your back is flat and it's not curved. So make sure it's flat, your core is engaged, and all you're going to do is just lunge forward. And when doing that, I already feel a stretch here on my hip flexor. But to give it a deeper stretch, what I like to do is actually reach out over to the side. So in this position, while I'm keeping my core engaged, I'm going to reach out and I feel a stretch here on the side of my body, my hip flexor, and my low back. So I would just repeat it about 10 times. And then I would go on the other side. So let me show you a front view doing the other side. So I would just tuck my pelvis in, lunge forward, feel the stretch of my hip flexor already, and reach out to the side. You can do that about 10 times, and that'll be it. All right, so we did a lot of exercises in the chair. So what we're going to do is we're going to get up and move. So for this first exercise, we're going to be doing a lunge, but we're going to be doing it in 3 different ways. Also with the lunge, we're going to add an overhead reach to work on our thoracic spine. So let me show you the 3 different ways, okay? So first, you're going to come forward and reach up, go to the side, and reach this, and then go at an angle, then reach to the side again. So let me give you a side view to see what I'm doing. So you're going to go forward, reach up, go to the side, reach to the side, go around, go at an angle, and reach to the side. This exercise is really good. One, we're working our legs, working our quads and our glutes. But as we do the reach, we're working on our thoracic spine for improving our posture and everything. All right, lastly, but most importantly, your best posture is your next posture. And what that means is that you need to continuously move. Some suggestions I like giving to my patients is that you can use your phone and set a timer for 30 minutes. And every time the timer goes off, you can perform one of these exercises, just one of them, and then that'll be it. You can get back to work. And after that, I guarantee you'll be feeling a lot more better. So that's all I have for you for today. I hope everyone's staying safe and staying healthy.